Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start understanding stock market psychology with behavioral finance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin understanding stock market psychology, familiarize yourself with the concept of behavioral finance. Behavioral finance combines psychology and finance to explain why investors often make irrational decisions. Start by recognizing common cognitive biases that influence investor behavior. Confirmation bias is the tendency to favor information that confirms existing beliefs. Anchoring occurs when investors rely too heavily on the first piece of information they encounter. Loss aversion is the principle that people prefer avoiding losses to acquiring equivalent gains. Next, acknowledge that emotions can heavily impact financial decisions. Fear and greed are powerful motivators that can drive market trends. During market rallies, investors may become overly optimistic, leading to risky behavior. Conversely, in downturns, panic can set in, causing hasty sell-offs. To analyze these emotions, observe market trends and investor sentiment. Keep an eye on news headlines and social media buzz surrounding stock movements. Surveys and sentiment indices can provide insights into overall market psychology. Utilize historical data to identify patterns linked to human behavior. Look at past market cycles to understand how investor psychology influenced outcomes. Study case studies of market bubbles and crashes to gain a deeper perspective. Reading books and articles on behavioral finance can expand your knowledge. Consider works that focus on psychological aspects of investing. Join online forums or groups that discuss behavioral finance topics. Engaging with a community can enhance your understanding through shared experiences. Practice self-reflection on your own biases and emotional responses when making investment decisions. Developing mindfulness can help you remain focused and rational during market fluctuations. Finally, remember that mastering stock market psychology takes time and experience. Stay patient and continuously educate yourself about the intricate dance between psychology and finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.